In this video, I want to show you three different methods to prove the Earth is flat. The first method we will use is known as the coordinate proof. The coordinate proof. If you take a look at this globe of the world, you can see that its shape is roughly a sphere, with latitude lines and longitude lines going through it. This line right here is called the equator. The equator. And the equator goes all the way around the globe, 360 degrees. Let's mark a point here at latitude 0 degrees, longitude 0 degrees, and another one here at 180 degrees. You can see the angle separating them would be 180 degrees minus 0 degrees. I encourage you to pause the video to try to figure out what angle 180 minus 0 is. If we subtract 0 from 180, we get 180 degrees. If you were to draw an outline like this and rotate it about its axis 180 degrees, you would see that it still results in a flat line. If the world was truly round, this line would be curved. The globetards who made this longitude and latitude system played themselves. Now the second proof we will be using is called photographic evidence. Photographic evidence. For this, I'm going to take one of NASA's images of the globe. If you don't know, NASA is one of the main groups trying to cover up the fact that the Earth is flat. However, if I were to load one of their images into a 3D modeling program and view it from the side, you can see that it disappears, which shows the Earth is indeed flat. This method works on every single image of the globe. Again, I encourage you to pause the video and try this out yourself. Now, the third proof we will be looking at today is known as the auditory proof. One mistake that many students make is that they only take visual evidence into consideration without acknowledging that there are other non-visual ways for data to be gathered. This is no exception. Take a listen for yourself. Earth. So with these three pieces of evidence all lining up to the same conclusion, it is undeniable that the Earth is flat. Coincidentally, if you were to take two electrodes and stick them to the scalp of any flat earther, you would see that the graph of their brain activity is flat. This is because they have no brain cells. I'm going to be honest, Dapz Academy videos ironically take a really long time to think up, so I don't really do them too often. But if you're interested in more, click